Hello, welcome to Quantum Online Academy. This is your Dr. Nagaraju Pendam. Sorry, a little bit. Yesterday, day before yesterday, I did not take the class because of the cough, right? So today I am taking one more important CSIR mathematical methods of physics advanced syllabus. Already I told in advanced syllabus of the mathematical methods of physics, the first topic is the Green's function. Very important 5 marks question we will get it from this advanced mathematical methods of the physics. The second topic is the partial wave differential equation. Partial differential equation. In partial differential equation, one topic I told, that is the Laplace equation I told. So today we are taking about the heat equation. According to your syllabus, heat equation and wave equation is there. Maybe tomorrow I have to teach the wave equation. Clear? Maybe this month I have to wind up all mathematical methods of physics in YouTube also. Already in our app, total mathematical methods of physics is completed. If you want to take that course, you have to take that course, and if you want to enhance in your mathematical methods of physics knowledge, you have to enhance mathematical methods of physics knowledge. Clear? So not only that, you have to choose the CSIR and GATE physics syllabus also. Already CSIR notification came in the February 16th onwards. Exam is going to conduct, right? But up to the February, whole syllabus not finished. Maybe throughout the year I want to teach to you, because so much of the syllabus is there. This is the online coaching, not offline coaching. So if you have to join in that app up to the till the syllabus, I will give the validity to you. So please concentrate. Otherwise, maybe in the month of July or June, we are going to get the DL or JL examination notification. In that examination notification, one notification will come within 45 or 60 days. They are going to conduct the exam. Within 45 and 50 days, we are unable to read the entire the portion of the mathematical methods of physics or physics, whatever it may be, we are unable to type. So that's why long run you have to prepare. You may get the choice to get the competitive examination, because the competition is heavy. So many people will compete with our competitive examination. So that's why you able to concentrate that. Clear? Now once you have to see when this question came, you have to see here, December 2016 this question asked. When they asked December 2016, this question asked, let f of x comma t be a solution of a heat equation. That heat equation is dou f by dou t is equal to d into dou square f by dou t square. Dou f by dou t is equal to d into dou square f by dou t dou x square in one dimension. The initial condition at t is equal to 0 is f of x comma 0 is equal to e to the power of minus x square. For minus infinity is less than x is less than plus infinity is there. This one is f of x comma t. F of x comma 0 is equal to e to the power of minus x square. For minus infinity is less than x is less than plus infinity. Then for all t greater than 0, f of x comma t is given by f of x comma t is equal to how much they are asking. They are giving the answers also here they are giving. So once we have to solve, after taking the solution, we have to find out the answer. Once you have to see, use the integral. What is the integral? Integral minus infinite to plus infinite dx e power minus alpha x square is equal to root 5 by alpha. You have to use this integral. You have to use. So based on this integral, we have to solve. They are giving this thing. First, you have to see what is our heat equation. Once you have to take dou f by dou t is equal to what it is, d into, so dou square f by dou x square. It is a one dimensional heat equation, you know this. So what is this? This is the one dimensional heat equation. In one dimensional heat equation, what is d here? So here d is the diffusivity. D is the diffusivity. In one dimensional heat equation, d is the diffusivity. let you have to take d is equal to some constant c square, you have to take sometime d is equal to c square, you have to take, right? Initially you have to use that c square. That initial conditions they are giving, once you have to see how we have to solve. What is the initial condition? F of x comma 0 is equal to f of x comma 0 is equal to e to the power of minus x square for minus infinity is less than x is less than plus infinity. This is the initial condition. This one is a initial condition if you have to take, right? This initial condition I am rearranging, f of x comma t is equal to f of x comma t is equal to how I am writing, so we are changing this g of x comma t, I am converting g of x comma t is equal to, how we have to convert, we have to see, instead of x, g of x plus g of x plus, what we have to take, once you have to see g of x plus, this one you have to consider as a g of x, you have to consider g of x, you have to consider, clear? G of x you have to consider. G of x comma t is equal to, instead of t we have to substitute at that term 2c z into root t, you have to write g of x plus, so x plus 2c root 2c z into root t, you have to substitute, which is equal to what we have to write, instead of x, what we are writing, instead of x, based on this I have to write here e to the power of minus x plus 2cz root t whole square, I am writing 2cz root t whole square, I am writing. So this is the g of x comma t, one function I am defining, one function I am defining, because in terms of the t. Now you have to see what is the solution of, the differential equation. How we have to write the solution of, the solution, which one we are want to find out, the solution f of x comma t is given by, the solution f of x gamma t is given by, how we have to write the solution f of x gamma t, the solution f of x gamma t is given by, how we have to write, once you have to see f of x gamma t is equal to, there is a formula 1 by root 5, 1 by root 5 into integral minus infinite to plus infinite, integral minus infinite to plus infinite, g of x comma t into e to the power of minus z square into dz. So this is the solution of the one dimensional heat equation. Which one it is? Solution of the one dimensional heat equation. So in this heat equation you have to substitute. So what is our g of x comma t? G of x comma t is equal to e to the power of minus x plus 2cz root t whole square. That value you have to substitute. How we have to substitute? Once you have to see f of x comma t is equal to 1 by root 5 into integral minus infinite to plus infinite e to the power of minus x square plus 2cz into root t whole square into e to the power of minus z square into dz, e to the power of minus z square into dz I am substituting. Clear? After substituting, so we have to simplify the above expression, 1 by root 5 integral minus infinite to plus infinite e to the power of minus x square is, this is the x square, what we have to write here, x, sorry, it is you have to take it as a x, no, x plus, clear, this is the x only, x plus 2ct, correct? So x square plus 4c square z square into t. So plus 4c square z square into t. So right, so plus 4 czx into root t. This is a plus b whole square I am doing. A square x square, b square means 4c square z square t. So again 4czx into root t into e to the power of minus z square into dz. Which one it is a variable? Dz is a variable. So that's why you have to bring e to the power of minus x square without z. That is the value you have to bring outside. E to the power of minus x square by root 5. Minus infinite to plus infinite. E to the power of minus. So the z square you have to bring into this side. Z square plus. So how we have to write here? Z square plus 4. Which one we have to take here? Once you have to see 4c square. 4c square z square into t plus 4c square z square into t. This one we have to write it is how we have to write 4czxt. 4czxt into dz. Clear? Now I am rearranging the term. How I am rearranging the term? Once you have to see e to the power of minus x square by root 5 minus infinite to plus infinite e to the power of, you have to take the common. Which one you have to take the common? Z square you have to take the common. You have to take the z square common. 1 plus 4c square t it will cut from these two terms. 4c square 1 plus 4c square t into, so plus which one we are taking here? So 4czxt as it easily we have to write after some time. I have to rearrange this one. Clear? Once again I have to rearrange. How we have to rearrange this one? Once you have to see f of x comma t is equal to, what is our left hand side? F of x comma t is equal to e to the power of minus x square is divided by root 5 integral minus infinite to plus infinite, correct? E to the power of minus x square by root 5 minus infinite to plus infinite e to the power of minus, which one we are writing here? Z square into 1 plus 4c square into t plus, so this one I am rearranging the term. How I am rearranging the term? Once you have to see, I am rearranging the term 1 plus 4c square. So as it easily first term I am writing 4cz 4cz 4czx into root t, correct? This is into dz. I am rearranging this above expression. How I am rearranging? Once you have to see e to the power of minus x square by root 5 integral minus infinite to plus infinite exponential of, which one we have to write here? Once you have to see exponential of minus, we have to take the common 1 plus 4c square t, you have to take the common 1 plus 4c square t, you have to take the common. So what will happen? Once you have to see, right, you have to take one more bracket here. So 1 plus 4c square t, you have to take here. Z square is there, no? That z square you have to keep here. Plus, plus what we have to write here? 2, 4 is there, no? This one I am rearranging. 2 into z into, right, 2 into z into, how we have to write? Once you have to see 2 into z into 2czx 2czx root t is divided by 1 plus 4c square into t. I am bringing outside, no? That's why I am taking the denominator side. 2 into 2. So z also already is, why I have to take the z value? 2x 2cx. Z1 z is cancel. That's why 2 4 z c x root t is there. Again I have to change you have to add. So which one you have to add? This one you have to take it as a b. You have to take so you have to add it. 2cx root t is divided by 1 plus 4c square into t whole square. You have to add the term and you have to subtract the term. So what you have to subtract? The same term you have to subtract. 2 say x root 2 is divided by 1 plus 4c square t whole square. You have to subtract. This is the, so I am rearranging the term. How I am rearranging? Once you have to see a square plus 2ab plus b square is there. This entire thing I have to write it as a plus b. Like that I have to take. Clear? So for this, so we have to adjust that. Which is your variable? Dz is variable. Here any z parameter is there? There is no z parameter. That's why you have to take outside. E to the power of minus into minus plus it will come. That's why you have to bring outside. So what you have to bring outside? Once you have to see e to the power of minus x square into e to the power of, which one we have to write here? E to the power of minus x square into e to the power of 4c square x square, 4c square x square into t, 4c square x square into t is divided by 1 plus 4c square t whole square. 1 plus 4c square t, which one we have to write? Whole square we have to take. 1 plus 4c square t whole square we have to write here. So therefore you have to take that one. So which one you have to write here? Once you have to see 1 plus 4c square t whole square is there. Clear? 1 plus 4c square t whole square is there. That is the thing once you have to see. Right? You have to take that 1 plus 4c square. You bring, okay, into again here one more is there, no? So that is 1 plus 4c square t is there. 1 plus 4c square t, 1 plus 4c square t get cancelled. Clear? So now you have to start the integral. Integral minus infinite to plus infinite. So this term is there, exponential of minus 1 plus 4c square into t into, which one we have to write here? Z square means z plus 2ab. Ab means b is equal to 2cx root t is divided by 1 plus 1 plus 4c square t whole square into dz. Whole square into dz I am writing. Clear? So now once again you have to see here is divided by root 5 also is there here. Root 5. Clear? F of x comma t is equal to f of x comma t is equal. F of x comma t is equal to e to the power of minus x square, e to the power of 4c square x square t is divided by 1 plus 4c square t. 1 plus 4c square t get cancelled. Root 5 e to the power of minus infinite to plus infinite. Rest of the terms I have to write. What are the terms? Exponential of minus 1 plus 4c square t into z plus 2cx root t whole square by 1 plus 4c square t into dz is there. Clear? So now you have to take that integration. Once again you have to take here f of x comma t is equal to f of x comma t is equal to e to the power of minus x square into e to the power of, which one we have to write here? 4c square x square into t is divided by 1 plus 4c square into t. 1 plus 4c square into t. 1 plus 4c square into t. Correct? 1 plus 4c square into t. Right? Now integral minus infinite to plus infinite exponential of minus into 1 plus 4 c square into t into, which one we have to write here, z plus 2cx root t is divided by 1 plus 4 c square into t whole square into dz. This is the your integration into dz is there, clear? So based on this, you have to take here e to the power of minus x square plus 4c square x square t is divided by 1 plus 4c square t is divided by root 5 also is there, is divided by root 5, which integral is equal to, already you know, integral minus infinite to plus infinite e to the power of minus ax square dx is equal to root 5 by a. So root 5 by a already you know. So how we have to write, root 5 is divided by a is equal to 1 plus 4c square into t. So what is this one you have to write, a is equal to a x square. This is the x value how to take, ax square e to the power of minus ax square dx is equal to root 5 by a. Clear? So root 5 get cancelled. So therefore e to the power of minus x square. So e to the power of which one we have to write here, minus x square plus we have to take it as a minus x square minus 4 c square x square into t plus 4 c square x square into t is divided by 1 plus 4 c square t into 1 by square root of 1 plus 4 c square into t. So 1 plus 4 c square x square into t minus c square x square into t is get cancelled. Therefore, e to the power of minus x square is divided by 1 plus 4 c square into t is divided by square root of 1 plus 4 c square into t, which is equal to f of x comma t is equal. But we have to take so what is the c square value we consider? The c square is equal to diffusivity d we are taking. Therefore, you have to substitute f of x comma t is equal to e to the power of minus x square is divided by 1 plus 4 dt is divided by square root of 1 plus 4 dt is there. This is your answer. Now once you have to check, because it is a 5 marks question. If it is coming in the advanced part, we have to derive, right? It will take the time also. Now once you have to check it, so what is your answer? Once you have to check, your answers are a is equal to 1 by square root of 4 dt is not there, so that's why it is not correct, right? So 1 by 2 dt is there, this one also not correct. So option C is correct. Once you have to see 1 by square root of 1 plus 4 dt e to the power of minus x square by 4 dt is there. This answer is correct. Option D also not correct. Clear? So like this we have to do in our competitive examination. This is the solution technique of a heat equation for one dimensional. Not only one dimensional, if you get the three dimensional and two dimensional heat equations also, you able to get in your competitive examination. Very simple, just you have to go through and you have to simplify, you will get the answer. Clear? Once you like my teaching, our app is Quantum Online Academy app. You go to your Play Store from your Android mobile phone and take my app and see the courses there. Current running courses are there. Maybe so CSIR and GATE physics, DL physics, JL physics courses are going on. Once you have to check these courses, CSIR and GATE physics, JL physics, DL physics, and not only that, individual papers also available now. Right now, this mathematical methods of physics, MMP, Mathematical Methods of Physics, core and advanced syllabus of the CSIR is completed, right? Entire the portion is available on app, completed, available on app. This is the recorded one only. You have to take this course and learn the mathematical methods of physics. Clear? Right. Next, one more important one is there. That is the classical mechanics. Maybe 15th of this month, how to take that course. So right. So already this week I want to start, but because of my illness, so I did not start. 15th, 12th. So 2024 onwards, classical mechanics, live plus recorded classes. Live plus recorded classes are available. If you need the classical mechanics, only classical mechanics, if you want to take classical mechanics, otherwise you have to take all the physics. You take CSR and gate physics, or JL if you want to write, you have to take the JL. DL if you want to write, you have to take the DL. Maybe so next year is notification is going to come. So within the 2 months, no one can finish the syllabus. So that's why you have to take the long term preparation. Now onwards, you have to spend the time and you have to prepare. Then only there is a possibility to get the competitive examination. Thank you. All the best. So please share and subscribe our YouTube channel. Thank you.